Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about API. It stands for Application Programming Interface. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and share the video. Let's get started. API is an intermediary that allows two systems or application and backend to exchange data or to talk to each other. So you can update, insert, or delete data by using an API. So when we use an API, we can retrieve data in two formats. So it really depends. There is two formats, so JSON and XML. And in this example, I will use JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation. You might asking yourself why JSON? Because it's very popular and easy. In JSON, the data formatted as key value pair. So that means we will have a key and its value, and sometimes the key will have more than one key value pairs. For example, here we have this data retrieved from the Open Weather Map. And as you can see here, we have this key and it has two key value pairs. The first one, here's the key, its value, and the second key and its value. And in some cases we will have it in this format. So here we have the key and array, then we have one item, which is this object. It has one key and its value, the other one, the second one, and its value, the third one, and its value, and so on. And sometimes we have it this way: the key and its value. So these are all objects. So here we have these objects, and inside the objects we have the key value pairs. So that's it for today. See you in the next one.